sila, no? Wala sila...
Kakapunta nyo lang, tapos naglalaro pa kayo yan. Ano? Hindi kayo. Kumain lang kayo, kaya nga.
Papahinga lang po.
Tama ba yan na naglalaro pa kayo yan? Ha? Ano? Saan kayo naka-assign?
Dito po.
Saan?
Yun. Quezon Avenue Corner. To be fair, wala tayong context kung ano, gaano katagal sila nakatambay, sir. So,
That's
ano yung
right.
reaction natin dito?
Well, we are allowed to take breaks, no? We are allowed to take breaks.
And within your break, you can do anything kung anong gusto mo.
Well, good thing I was watching kung ano yung nilalaro nila. Good thing it's not gambling, e-gambling.
I think it's
kasi
Mobile
bawal
Legend.
yun.
Yeah,
Oo.
Mobile Legend.
So, kung Mobile Legend, papalipas sa oras, pwede naman. Ano? Authorized kami magpahinga. Actually, during summer, we even have a heat stroke break.
Yes,
Yun nga, titignan natin gaano sila katagal. Is it within the limits of their break na nandun sila?
Basta sabi niyo, total of 1 hour.
Yes, 1 hour. Yung lunch break namin, ano? Then we take 15-minute break in between.
Yes.
So, from sa morning and 1 in the afternoon. Ayun, kung break nila yan, authorized break nila yan, we usually have a rotation of enforcers doing breaks.
That's right.
Maybe it's increment of 30 minutes or 15 minutes, no? Iikot sila. Kasi they need to relieve themselves sometimes,
right.
di ba? So, kailangan nilang mag-break. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilang oras sila doon, matagal ba sila, did they go beyond the break? Kung ano man yung ginagawa nila, authorized ba yung paglalaro, pwede naman, break eh.
Basta
It's a break.
within
the time. Ano?
Alright.
So, pwede naman yun. You can even talk to your family during your breaks. It doesn't prohibit you, di ba? As long as what you're doing during your break is legal.
Okay.
So, kung wala namang, hindi naman sugal yan, hindi naman nanonood ka ng porno or anything like
Or
that.
umiinom ng alak.
Umiinom ng alak.
alak.
I think it's legit. Ano?
Yeah.
Ang ano ko lang, did they go beyond their break? Something that we need to find
So
out.
that is the question.
That's the question.